Nitty.
It worked out halfway perfect.
Huh?
It worked out perfect. Then he just finished.
Hell yeah, this is my first time seeing the bitch. I've been missing it all weekend. What up with you?
Chilling, man, chilling.
About to get some music shit going?
Yeah. Kel over.
He said he went on the test drive, so he about to pull back up. Old Cutlass Vert.
He's supposed to do it as well, so I never did get a chance to get it to him.
Oh, okay. Let him do the Cutlass. How you liking that Vert life?
Hey, I'm loving it right now.
Yeah. Went from the hard top to the Vert, man. It be hard though. What motor you got in this one?
All original.
Oh, really?
Yep. They got vintage on it.
So you just threw the vintage air on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, definitely still be hot with that top down.
It was clean, but it was raining in Fayetteville when I was on that.
And on that boy Kel to pull up with a short bed. Oh, there go Carlos right there. That boy riding. Leah, I see ya. My first time really seeing the box. First time seeing everything. I've been missing these folk. It be nice though. Rose gold, huh? Leave the door open. Clean. She clean. With the goodies. She got a little bit of everything. Rose gold pedal on there. Door closing nicely. Rose gold on the trim. I see you, girl.
He had rails on the first side of that game.
It is hard. Yeah. This original paint?
Yup.
Oh my goodness. Dang. Oh wow. Dang. And he got the bass with it too. So he just ain't talking. And he got the fifth wheel forging. And they got the leather seats. Damn, boy, this is a top of the line Wrangler right here. What size? 26s?
Yup, 37 times.
Dang.
With the fifth wheel.
Yeah. Oh, that boy. All about a sack. What up, bro?
What's going on, man? What's up, bro? I thought she was a customer in the car.
Yeah, man. What's up, my boy?
What up, fool? That bitch pounding. That bitch been pounding though. Oh, you did anything else to it?
I redid the vegetable.
Okay.
Got on here like I told you.
Yeah. It be here whamming though. I heard your ass for a minute before you pulled up. Shout out to Allaboutasacks. One of his toys. Clean air box. Somebody clean air box. 30 bands if you wanted to. I think he said 30. I think he said a 30.
Like I said, they were in the car. And I was thinking,
Trying to get the cut dog straight. Like when they got a 442, so my boy had the Chevelle hard top with the top, big block mofo. Sold that to the boy Gotti. Then when he copped this one, so now he Vert life, everybody. I got a lot of folks looking for a Cutlass too.
so he said nobody had never took the radios out before.
This is a 25 or 24? 23, okay. But this a fucking brand new this a brand new 23. Yeah, damn, okay, 20,000. Well, he done drove it a little bit. Oh wow. What the hell?
It's called a Skyline.
This factory? This light?
Yeah, it's a factory. But I put this on here.
Okay.
I put every light on here. Everything.
And this aftermarket radio or?
Nope, factory radio.
Okay. No,
He ain't seen this.
Bro had showed us.
Oh, he showed it?
Yep,
You heard it?
Nah, that's why I said.
He showed you the back of it?
Yeah, he just showed us. He didn't play it though.
Are you doing it?
I know this shit. And it's beating too, huh?
Yo, Billy, you wanna go out? Yeah, nigga. Yeah. I got no trouble shit.
Yeah. Bye now, boy. With the blue lights. Got to have the blue halos. That bitch is hard.
Trap shit working double out. Be the fast in the world, swing fast in our money count. For the till, taking money shots. Praise coming pops, Corona man, dealing with the watch. Face shots, fucking cops, switch it up. Went from race to the side, he believing in these niggas. The music I weed in. Then it was like some cotton eggs. Then a pants pant, then a loose shorts. Run that nigga real trapper with some gang. Niggas trap shit working double out. Be the fast in the world, swing faster than our money count.
What the hell?
It's hard to speak about.
And that's for the lights, fog lights, rock lights, FOD lights, roof, real white. Wow. That bitch hard. Oh yeah. This like this is a top of the line Jeep right here. You say you drove this to the gas station? Crazy.
Yeah. See, that's my type of feeling.
That shit clear, that shit beating, sharp bass. Y'all fuck with my boy. Alright, man, this is why we here today. Check out this Jeep 26s. Fool, how many speakers we got in here? What all you do to it? Gonna break me down.
I pretty much did all the lights, everything orca. Did all the music in it.
Right.
I got how many speakers.
Got the horns.
Everyone louder.
Right. So what we got right here? What do we have that we can see right here?
All right, so this is these are all 10s.
Okay.
So on this side you got 4 10s, 4 horns, 2 tweeters, and on the other side it's the same thing.
Okay. So these are 10s. These what are the subs?
These 12s.
Okay, the subs are 12s.
Yeah, these 3
okay,
12s.
and these are 10s.
And you got
4 10s.
4 10s, 3 horns,
2 tweets. Yeah, on both sides.
both sides.
Okay.
Sides.
And this bitch beating. And you got how much power you got on this one? How much power for the subs?
You got a 5K on subs.
Okay.
Got a 3K on these H right here.
In here.
Yep. On top, the sound bar.
4 of them.
Yep, 4 8s. Then you got another, I got 2500 on the 10s.
That came in this?
No, I put it up there too.
You had to make you.
So it's crazy, bro. So by it being a Skyline roof, this sound bar not made for this.
Right.
It's made for the hard top.
Okay.
So I had to actually drop it 1.5 inches so it won't hit the
the sliding part.
Yep.
Damn.
Yep.
And aftermarket speakers in there, DS18
Yep,
and.
yep. It came.
Shit.
Came Vert. I put 8 seconds.
Okay.
Everything powered up.
Tramps. All right, let's see this thing in motion.
Back on that low get the show, sing and burn. What? This is wherever you catch it, you scratch it, ain't gonna make the room. Back there, around the year, man, like Starlight. And you tryna rob, you rob, you jumped out of casket. Before the COVID-19, we was masking. They spinning and beat, I'ma shoot out of the man back to front.
Sir. All this Wranglers. You'll see. Fully loaded. With the light package. The slide roof. Sir, bro, when your ass got to that light and was playing that off that shit, I was hearing that shit so far back, bro. That shit was so clear head, yeah. Yeah, that bit hard. Definitely goddamn gonna turn some heads with this one.
Oh, you can't figure it out? Yeah. Rubber bands at the count.
You installed that too?
Bags on the loud.
Yeah, I was about to say, yeah, he did that shit right. Where you put the camera at? It's in the top? Oh, in the tight. Oh. Yeah. Dope, man. Y'all need some action, man. Y'all holla at my boy.